Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So you have installed Kali Linux on Raspberry Pi and when start VNC server you see gray screen and nothing else. So in this video I will tell you without installing any further different desktop environment in the xfce only how you can fix this problem, because if you need to solve this problem people tell you to install a different desktop environment after configuring the VNC server. So you just need to copy paste a simple code which I will give you in the description here. In the root cd root slash dot vnc, this is the directory and this is the file which we need to edit. So nano xstartup, this is the code. I have already done the editing. I will give you this code in the description below. If you have xfce4 which comes officially with the Linux, then you can copy paste, and if you have a different you can simply edit that thing by replacing xfce4 by your respective desktop environment and just hit Ctrl O to override, enter and Ctrl X to exit. That's it. Now you can start. I had already started a session. Let me just kill it first to show you. Okay, VNC SERVER server. Hit enter, it will start a new for you, and this is the VNC viewer. This is my IP. As you can see, this is the official xfce4 working properly for you. Yeah, one thing I missed to tell you. After doing this change in the X setup, you need to reboot this and then you should start the VNC server. And take care, if you have already running any session, kill that first or it will make you problem by creating a log file in the .vnc and everywhere else in the one more directory. Actually, just kill it first if you have running and this reboot, and then you go, you had solved the problem.